Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why your Remitly transfer is taking longer than expected. When you send money internationally, seeing a delay can be stressful, but there are usually clear reasons behind it. One of the most common causes is a routine compliance or security review. Financial regulations require transfer services like Remitly to screen transactions to prevent fraud and comply with anti-money laundering laws. If your transfer triggers an automatic review, Remitly may need extra time to verify details, which can pause the processing. Another major factor is your choice of payment method and banking hours. If you fund your transfer using a bank account via ACH or direct debit, it takes time for the money to actually clear from your bank to Remitly before it can be sent out. Transfers initiated outside of standard business hours, on weekends, or during public holidays in either the sending or receiving country will also experience delays because local banks are closed and processing pauses. Incorrect or incomplete recipient information can also bring a transfer to a halt. If there is a typo in the recipient's name, account number, routing number, or pickup details, the transfer will often be held or rejected until the correct information is confirmed. Finally, the receiving bank or cash pickup location plays a role. Even after Remitly releases the funds, the local financial institution in the destination country needs time to process and post the money to the recipient's account. To prevent future delays, always double-check recipient details before submitting. Use faster payment methods like debit or credit cards when available, and respond immediately if Remitly reaches out requesting additional verification documents. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.